This is Chen, co-founder and CEO of Injective Labs. So today we're going to talk about building next generation dApps with Injective. So for those who don't know, Injective is a blockchain built specifically for financial applications. What that means is that every single upgrade, integration, and collaboration is always going to be focused on building the best blockchain platform for Web3 finance developers and users. So how do we get started? I can give this same spiel, but we're not new to the space anymore. We've just passed the second year of mainnet and have accomplished some very incredible milestones in the process. It's one of the first networks to have a fully on-chain order book. It has a highly unique smart contract layer that executes a contract automatically at every single block, and it also integrated with some of the most prominent L1s in the industry. And of course, it utilizes a premier oracle through Pyth. So some of the key primitive on top of Injective is on-chain limit order book, Oracle module, interoperable bridges, automated smart contract execution, and also powered with Cosm Modern smart contracts. And what this does is it allows Injective to have all these, extremely efficient, optimized, and plug and play modules for any type of DeFi developers to leverage. And with all these modules all coming together and synergized with other developer applications, it creates the platform for all the bleeding edge DeFi applications. Some of the quick stats since the 2 years of mainnet, Injective has accumulated more than $13.8 billion, 319 million transactions, 44 million INJ staked with 5.7 million INJ burned. It's also consistently clocking a block time of 800 milliseconds. Some of the follow-on stats. And with all this in mind, Injective is focusing on creating a network for DeFi that works for both developers and its users. And because of all the steps that we're taking to make sure the mainnet is truly incredible for users, the growth has been unmatched on a developer and a user end. And we've grown to many ecosystem dApps with many more exciting integrations to come. But the general theme of this conference is about data-driven. Um, how to truly utilize Oracle data and accurate, precise market data to grow the network further. And of course, this is one of the most critical aspects of any type of DeFi application, and also derivatives mechanisms. So two main things we want to cover today that's been extremely interesting for us and we've been spending a lot of time to work on. The first one is electro chains, and the second one is institutional integration. So I kind of teased this previously at another conference. Electro chains are the latest innovation of Injective that allows developer from multiple environments to build within the Injective ecosystem using the same language and code that they're familiar with. These are independent roll-up environments for Injective, and the two main ones that have been launched recently is INEVM and INSVM. With INEVM and INSVM, these developers can harness the power of Solidity and Rust, respectively, to launch their smart contracts on top of Injective. It opens up a world of opportunity for both Ethereum and Solana developers to quickly migrate their code over to Injective and launch to a completely new user base with out-of-the-box composability and integration with Injective core chain applications. And then here's the exciting part. There's been a lot of work that's being done recently to make sure Injective is compatible with all these major networks to grow the institutional base. But we're seeing that data that are, so many institutional players are interested in not just crypto, but also, DeFi as a whole. So how does Injective provide an environment for institutional players to also integrate further? And of course, out of the box, there are necessary infrastructures that institutions trust and subscribe to. Obviously, there's Pyth, there's Google Cloud infrastructure provider, and there's various applications that are building on top of Injective, like Ondo, and there's many more to come. And of course, Injective is not alone in this journey. There's been recently a $150 million Injective venture group with support from Pantera, Jump, IAG Capital, Coupon Ventures, Kraken Ventures, etc., with all the latest and greatest movers and shakers within the industry, pushing Injective forward and backing all those developers, projects, and ecosystems that are building on top of Injective and fostering their community base. And of course, currently the community is always rapidly growing, and Injective has been extremely fortunate to be able to back all the projects and support all of these projects that have onboarded. If anyone is looking to also build on top of Injective and you're new to the ecosystem or utilize any of the new electro chains, in that case, Injective can support you through Injective Labs, through the foundation grants, or through this venture group. All in all, Injective is truly changing the landscape when it comes to DeFi, making it data-driven decisions to be a network for Web3 finance. Thanks so much for listening, and you can follow us on our website and our Twitter. Here.